Hello everyone! Today we have a very useful video. If you were looking for a way to adjust your bass, treble, or overall audio balance on Windows 11, you have likely noticed that the built-in sound settings don't actually include a real equalizer. I will show you exactly how to download and use a powerful free app to get perfect studio quality sound on your PC immediately. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 taskbar. Search for FX Sound and click on the app with the red and white icon. Simply click Get or Install to download the software to your computer. This step is crucial because Windows 11 removed the simple bass and treble sliders found in older versions, so you need this lightweight external app to unlock those professional audio frequencies. Next, open the FX Sound app from your Start menu. Click the top drop-down menu to select your current output device, like your speakers or headphones. Then, use the second drop-down menu to pick a preset that matches what you are doing, such as music, gaming, or movies. If you don't hear a difference immediately, then make sure your Windows system volume is also turned up, as FX Sound works by enhancing the audio signal before it hits your speakers. Finally, grab any of the vertical sliders in the center of the app to manually adjust specific frequencies like bass or treble. Once it sounds perfect, click the hamburger menu icon in the top left and select Save New Preset. Type in a name for your custom setting and hit Enter to save it for later. By saving your own presets, you can instantly switch between a heavy bass mode for music and a clear voice mode for work calls without having to readjust the sliders every time. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.